I found this wooden round ornament at the Dollar Tree, and it had the snowflake embellishment on it. It was a little bit offset, and I thought maybe I could take this off and paint below. I'm just going to try to take it off and to see if it gives us a nice canvas below. And if it doesn't, I have a plan B. All right, so I tried to take up as much of that glue as I could, but I still had a little bit stuck in the middle. So my plan B is I'm just gonna flip it over, and on the back side of it, it's completely blank. And so I'm gonna paint on this side instead. And we're gonna have a nice red background. So I'm just got some red craft paint. Any craft paint or acrylic paint will work here. And we're just gonna paint a nice red circle right in the middle. And we're gonna leave a little bit of a border. I just like seeing some of that, the wood round still show through and not painting right to the edge. This paint ornament also was super inexpensive. It was $1.50. Sometimes buying ornaments are cheaper than buying blank ones that you can craft with. Just because it's already pre-done and not blank doesn't mean it can't be crafted or you can't put your own flair to things. All right, so once we're done our red circle, we're gonna wait for this layer to dry, and then we're gonna come back and make an easy peasy snowflake. All right, so the red paint is dry to the touch. So the first step to make your snowflake is we're just going to make a round circle right in the middle, just like that. And then we're going to make our snowflake lines. So we're gonna make one going up first, and then one going down. An interesting fact, snowflakes have 6 sides. I didn't know this until one of my last paintings. And so this one, I made that painting with 8 sides. So this one I'm gonna try to make 6 sides, make it a little bit more realistic. And then what we're gonna do is we're going to make arrow shapes on each of the lines. Super easy. Make one more like that. And then we're gonna decorate it a little bit. So we're gonna add circles. Since we have a circle in the middle, let's repeat that pattern. And we're going to put circles right at the end of each of those 6 lines, like that. And then I'm gonna add a small circle at the beginning of the line too, just to give it a little bit more decoration. Why not, right? Snowflakes are always so much fun to draw. And then we're gonna finish this snowflake off by just adding random dots between the lines. So it can be like smaller snowflakes in the distance that are falling, and it's ready to hang. This is day 4 of my 6-day DIY ornament series. So be sure to subscribe and hit that bell so you don't miss the next ornaments coming your way. Plus, stay tuned for the final video where I'll share an extra special treat, 2 bonus ornament DIYs to wrap up the series with even more holiday magic. See you tomorrow for day 5.